In this video, I show you the top 5 best free movie websites which are completely legal. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And I did make this video coming from the US perspective. I made it with my friend. So if you're watching from another country, you'll probably have to go and check out if these sites are still working for you. And do make sure you watch this video right until the end so you can see all of the different websites. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. The first site I want to go and show you is YouTube. So all you want to do to get to YouTube is simply go and Google YouTube and come to youtube.com. Then all you want to do is come onto the left hand side and you want to simply go and locate movies and shows. Come and click in here and it's going to take a minute to load. Then once you click that, then all you want to do is simply scroll down and you're going to have this option here saying free to watch movies. And as you can see, it's going to go and say free with ads at the bottom, and they're completely free with no ads if you have YouTube Premium, but otherwise you just have to watch a few ads and then you can go and watch all of these films. Go and see more, and there are so many different films to go and choose from as well. I'll go and scroll down a little bit. As you can see, there are lots of films, but without any further ado, let's go and jump into the next site. Coming in at number 2 is a site called Voodoo, V-U-D-U, just like so, and all you want to do is make sure you come to voodoo.com, click here, and then we're going to take a minute to load, and here we are. So all you want to do is at this top bar is simply go and click on free, just like so, and it's going to take a minute to load, and it's going to show you all of the free movies Voodoo has. And as you can see, they're all free. They do have ads, so you've got to watch a little bit of ads. And then to go and watch the film, all you want to do is hover over it and go and click watch free. It's going to take a minute to load, and you just need to go and sign in to your Voodoo account, or you can go and create one, and then you can go and watch the ads and the film. The next website I'm showing you is called Plutotv. So all you want to do is simply go and search Plutotv, just like so, and make sure you come to the website just here. Then all you want to do is go and click on it. It's going to take a minute to load. Come to the left and go and click on movies. And these movies are actually playing live. As you can see, this is the current time. And then it's going to go and show you what time the next movie starts as well. As you can see, Evelyn starts at 2:15 p.m. So you can go and choose when you want to watch, or you can go and see if there's one you want to watch later on in the day. And for Plutotv, you don't need an account either. All you need to do is go and click on it, and it's going to go and start playing it, just like so. The next site I'm showing you is called Popcornflix, just like this. So all you want to do is press enter, and then all you want to do is come to the popcornflix.com. It's going to take a minute to load, and here we go. As you can see, it says stream free movies and TV shows across all your favourite devices. It's 100% legal with no subscription required, and way fewer ads than regular television. So go and click start watching for free now, and it's going to start loading, and here we go. As you can see, there are a ton of movies once again, and you can go and flick through them all just like this, and you can go and check out the new ones, and you can also go and check out the niches as well of films they have available. Honestly, another really great website, and it's definitely worth checking out. Coming in at number 5 is a website called ChwTV, just like so. So go and search for that. Then all you want to do is come to ChwTV.com just here, and here we are. Then all you want to do is simply go and click on start watching, just like this. And then as you can see, it's going to go and show you all of the films it has available, and it also has a kids section as well. So yeah, we'll go and scroll down, and as you can see, there's tons of different films, and once again, you can go and flick through them just like so, and you can go and find one you want to go and watch. Tons of films available here as well. So if you did find this video useful, please go down below and leave a like for more videos just like this, and to get kept up to date if I make any more. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Peace.